Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A Chinoiserie dream, designing with classic French house style. Step into a world where the opulent elegance of classic French house design meets the whimsical charm of Eastern art. This style is defined by a sophisticated blend of timeless furniture silhouettes, a refined color palette, and an air of effortless grace. Our inspiration is drawn from a singular stunning motif, a chinoiserie wallpaper featuring a flowering branch set against a deep navy ground. This wallpaper becomes the narrative heart of the entire home, with its metallic gold stems, crisp white and blush pink blooms, and sage green leaves. The theme invites the inclusion of delicate accents like birds and butterflies, bringing a sense of life and movement to the spaces. This video will guide you through each room, illustrating how to weave this beautiful story from the facade to the most private sanctuaries. Prepare to reimagine classic design through a lens of modern, artistic expression. The enchanting narrative of this home begins before one even steps through the front door, setting a tone of curated romance. The exterior is painted a soft, welcoming cream or pale stone hue, allowing the deep navy and gold theme to be introduced through the front door and shutters. Lush, structured boxwood topiaries and classic Versailles planters flank the entrance, echoing the formal symmetry of French design. Climbing blush pink New Dawn roses and crisp white clematis adorn trellises and archways, mirroring the floral motifs found inside. A subtle glint of aged brass or gold finish hardware on the door and lanterns hints at the metallic gold stems within. The garden itself is a living extension of the wallpaper, with sage green foliage plants like lavender and lady's mantle, completing the picturesque, storybook scene. Crossing the threshold, guests are immediately immersed in the full drama and sophistication of the chosen theme. The focal point is, without question, the walls adorned with the Deep Navy Chinoiserie Wallpaper, where gold branches seem to shimmer in the light. A stunning gilded console table with elegant cabriole legs reflects the metallic stems, creating a sense of cohesion and luxury. Upon this table, a large, simple vase holds an arrangement of crisp white peonies and blush pink ranunculus, bringing the wallpaper's blooms to life in 3 dimensions. A round gold-framed mirror hangs above, not only amplifying the light, but also offering a glimpse of the delicate butterflies or birds in the pattern. The entryway floor, perhaps of black and white marble in a classic French pattern, grounds the space with timeless graphic strength. The living room is where comfort and high style converge, creating a space that is both inviting and impeccably designed. The Deep Navy wallpaper remains on a single accent wall, while the others are painted a complementary soft gray or warm white to balance the intensity. A plush, oversized sofa in a neutral linen fabric is paired with armchairs upholstered in a subtle blush pink velvet, inviting relaxation amidst the elegance. The sage green from the leaves is introduced through throw pillows, a luxurious wool area rug, or the upholstery of a classic Bergera chair. Giltwood side tables and a coffee table with a marble top echo the metallic gold, tying the furniture directly to the wall's narrative. Finally, decorative accents like porcelain vases with hand-painted birds or gold-leafed butterfly specimens under glass cloches add the final layer of enchanting detail. Transformed into a serene and romantic retreat, the bedroom utilizes the theme to promote rest and tranquility. Here, the deep navy wallpaper is used behind the bed, creating a dreamy, canopy-like effect that makes the floral pattern the star of the room. The bed linens are a study in crisp, white textural layers. Think Belgian linen, cotton voile, and a matelass coverlet, providing a clean canvas for the pattern. Accents of blush pink appear in the throw blankets at the foot of the bed and the silk shades of the bedside lamps, casting a soft, flattering glow. The sage green is gently woven in through a luxurious, fringed throw pillow or the foliage of a small potted olive tree in the corner. A pair of gilded nightstands and a vintage-style armoire with delicate gold hardware complete the space, ensuring every element feels connected and consciously curated. Designed for both grand entertaining and intimate dinners, the dining room is a testament to sophisticated drama. All four walls are embraced by the Deep Navy Chinoiserie Wallpaper, creating an immersive and unforgettable dining experience. A substantial darkwood dining table with polished, gold-toned claw feet grounds the space and complements the metallic elements on the walls. The chairs are upholstered in a durable, wipeable velvet in either sage green or blush pink, providing a comfortable pop of color against the dark backdrop. Overhead, a breathtaking crystal chandelier with gold accents captures and refracts light, making the gold in the wallpaper sparkle throughout the day and night. The table is set with white china, gold-rimmed crystal glasses, and a centerpiece of white and blush flowers, ensuring the decor is as beautiful as the meal. In the kitchen, the theme is translated into a more subtle and functional language, blending classic charm with modern utility. Instead of full wallpaper, the deep navy is used on the lower cabinetry, while the upper cabinets are open shelving in a light oak or painted a crisp white to display beautiful dishware. The metallic gold is introduced through the hardware, elegant, sculptural pulls and taps, and perhaps a statement range hood in a brass finish. A classic white marble or quartzite countertop provides a bright, clean work surface that mirrors the crisp white blooms of the pattern. A simple yet artistic tile backsplash in a zealage style, featuring variations of sage green, adds texture and a touch of organic color. A small vase of fresh herbs like sage and rosemary, alongside white anemones in a blush pink pitcher, keeps the floral connection fresh and alive. The bathroom becomes a personal spa-like oasis, where the chinoiserie motif adds a touch of unparalleled luxury. A feature wall behind the bathtub or vanity is clad in the navy floral wallpaper, rendered in a moisture-resistant vinyl for practicality. The vanity itself, in a dark stained wood or painted navy, is topped with a white marble counter and features a sleek, gold-framed mirror above it. Polished gold fixtures for the faucet, showerhead, and towel bars gleam against the dark background, elevating the everyday into an elegant ritual.